Hey there, I'm photographer David Bergman, and this is 2-Minute Tips for Adorama TV. Today we're going to talk about using gels on your flash and why they don't always look like you expect. What is a gel? Well, it's just a piece of colored plastic that you can put in front of your flash to create some fun special effects. They're sold in many different colors and sizes. You can get a big sheet for studio lights, or for speed lights, you can also cut down those big sheets or get pre-cut little ones that are already the right size. I have a few tips to help you get nice, vibrant color from those gels and keep them from getting washed out. The first thing to do is make sure that the gel is completely covering the flash head. I like to use black gaffer's tape around all 4 sides of the gel. If any white light is coming out of the sides, it can contaminate the color and wash everything out. The next thing to know is that the exposure will severely affect the vibrancy and color. These 3 images were bracketed at 2 stop intervals, and you can see that the darker the image, the deeper the color. Whether I change my exposure in camera or turn the power down on my strobes, either way, the darker image always gives me more saturation. Lastly, make sure that the other lights on your set aren't contaminating the color from your gels. If you're lighting a subject in front with white light and want color in the background, you should be really careful to not have any of that white light spilling onto the background. You can use modifiers like a grid to control the spill, but you can also move the light closer to your subject so it falls off faster. Or you can simply pull your subject further away from the background. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do any of this because it's a creative decision on how you want your colors to look. But if it's deep, vibrant, saturated colors you're going for, then make sure you tape the gel on completely, underexpose it just a bit, and don't mix it with any other lights on your set. Thanks for joining me today on Adorama TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos, follow me on social media at David Bergman, and go to the Adorama Learning Center for lots of other great tips and tricks.